Hi everybody! Autochart.ai has just received a significant user interface update, and you'll probably want to understand how all its features operate now. Therefore, in this particular video, we're going to thoroughly explain everything in a very quick and straightforward manner. Starting off on our main website, you can simply sign in the usual way that you used to sign in. If you don't have an account with Autochart.ai, simply sign up for a new account. Quick update, the Help Center should be able to support you as the articles have been updated with the relevant new images and information. The new Autochart.ai UI is meant to be simpler and more helpful for you as a healthcare provider, along with a bunch of new robust features. As always, reach out to support at Autochart.ai for any questions. Alright, so to start things off, the new way to create an encounter is now by simply clicking New Encounter. From this point, you will be able to initiate a fresh encounter by choosing to preset your current settings prior, or simply by selecting Start Encounter. To access all of your specific encounter settings, including things like your templates and various visit types, simply click on Encounter Settings. Within this section, you will easily be able to locate all of your recording module information, such as options for dictation and dialogue. You'll also find your chosen note type, which can be personalized using Learn My Style. Here you'll also find note brevity, the auto-generation of provider communications, the ability to easily change specialties, modify various visit types, and you'll also find settings for your preferred input languages and your desired output languages available in over 100 languages and dialects. Autochart.ai now fully supports custom presets. Moving on, the telehealth feature has just received a major upgrade. You're now able to directly video call or even phone call your patients directly from Autochart.ai. And to make things easier, you can also invite your patients through email or by sending them convenient links. When you need to make a phone call, you simply click on the phone call option. Then you'll dial your patient's number. Once the connection is established with your patient, you can speak as you normally would, and all of it will be recorded within Autochart.ai. In all cases, to begin, simply hit Start Recording at the bottom. Once you see the Generate Note option, you'll know it's recording. The waveform appears as usual. You can change your microphone here if needed. Your live transcription will appear right below the waveform, and your timer is at the bottom, with a maximum of 120 minutes or 2 hours. You have quick access to some settings like input languages and provider communications. On the right side of the screen, you'll see your context, or your additional information section as it used to be called. You can choose to attach files by clicking on the paperclip icon or simply add context to your encounter by typing it in. You are free to choose whether to include or not include any specific context that you add to your encounter. By simply clicking on the AI chat button, which is located right next to the context option, you'll be able to access our AI chat feature. There, you can freely ask the AI any question in real time, even while your current encounter is running. Additionally, you have the option to minimize your current encounter so you can easily access other encounters within Autochart.ai to further support and streamline your workflow. If you wish to close and remove this current interaction, you can discard this encounter. Just click Discard and close. Or if you are good to go, you can click Generate Note, which is right beside the pause button if you would like to pause at any time. Once you've generated the note, it will then appear within your main encounter views, just as it always has done. From this point, the process is quite similar. You simply click on the note's title to make any edits. On the left side, you'll see your note exactly as it was originally captured, and on the right side, you'll find your full transcription. To easily access your patient communication, provider communication, resources page, simply click on the arrow located right beside the transcript, and from there, you'll be able to access all of those important pages directly. You'll have immediate access to your patient communication, your provider communication, the chat function, various resources, and all available pathways too. On the left side, you can see your note, which is totally editable as normal. There's a Regenerate button at the bottom, again, with all those same features that were available to regenerate. You can choose to copy the rich text, or you can copy the simple text, right there at the top, depending on your EMR version. And to access all of the other available icons, you would just click on the 3 vertical dots, and that will open up options like Regenerate, Send by Email, Fill PDF templates, Learn My Style, Start Dictation, and Resume, and archive or delete your visit as well. We also have a new feature for versioning of notes available now, so you can access different versions of your note. Your incomplete recordings have been relocated and are now accessible on the left-hand sidebar. Within this sidebar, you will be able to locate these incomplete recordings by navigating directly to the dedicated incomplete section. And from this location, you have the option to either delete them or simply resume working on them. And as always, you have access to all your customization options. Under the main settings menu, you'll find a dedicated section for AI settings. Within this section, you'll be able to locate and customize various options such as specialties, note types, provider communication, snippets, and presets, which were previously known as defaults. All of your customization options are still readily available within Autochart.ai. Within the App Settings section, you'll find details regarding your display and your clipboard. Under Account, you can customize your account, auto sign-out period, and multi-factor authentication. And under subscription is where you'll find your information on subscription and billing history plans. In addition to what you see here, you'll find a wide array of other menus, providing access to even more advanced features and a multitude of additional options. There's a direct link to the Help Center and feedback as well. And as always, our chat support is available in the bottom right corner, and we're always here to provide assistance. If you ever have any questions, please feel free to reach out and we'll be happy to help. Thank you so much for choosing Autochart.ai. We truly hope you find this new update beneficial, as it's designed to effectively assist with all your charting needs. Feel free to reach out for support. Happy charting!